HIV+2 HIV seeks out the nucleus and injects its genetic information. 1. HIV virus attaches to host cell's surface. HIV. 4. New HIV viruses break out of the cell, and spread to take over other host cells. The cell is destroyed, lysis, as a result. 3. HIV directs the cell to make new HIV virus parts, which are then assembled. Slide number 5. EAC practice. One characteristic shared by a virus and a living cell is that both F store genetic information in nucleic acids, G have a crystalline structure, H gain energy directly from the sun, J use glucose for respiration. Cells and viruses do. Cells don't have this. Autotrophs, producers. Cells do this? Correct answer, F. AIDS-acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Slide number 11. AIDS-acquired immune deficiency syndrome. 1. The immune-crippling disease caused by the HIV virus in which the body becomes unable to protect itself against any secondary infections. 2. HIV human immunodeficiency virus. 3. HIV infects the immune system cell called helper T cells, most important white blood cell involved in identifying infections. Body fluids with high concentrations of HIV. Slide number 12. Body fluids with high concentrations of HIV. 1. Blood. 2. Semen/vaginal fluids, as high as blood. 3. Breast milk. 4. Pus from sores, low concentrations of HIV. Slide number 13. Low concentrations of HIV. It is highly unlikely you will be infected if you come into contact with sweat, tears, urine, saliva, highly possible if blood from mouth sores is present. Slide number 14. How is HIV spread? 1. Any type of unprotected sexual activity, highest risk. 2. Sharing used drug needles. 3. Pregnancy from mother to child. 4. Sharing razors if blood is present. 5. Kissing if even the smallest amount of blood is present. Membranes of mouth are thin enough for HIV to enter straight into the body. 6. Tattoos/body piercing if equipment is not clean. How is HIV not spread? 1. Shaking hands. 2. Hugging. 3. Swimming pools. Slide number 15. How is HIV not spread? 1. Shaking hands. 2. Hugging. 3. Swimming pools. 4. Toilet seats. 5. Insect bites. 6. Donating blood. 1. RNA virus that changes its RNA into DNA when inside the host cell. Retrovirus. Slide number 16. 1. RNA virus that changes its RNA into DNA when inside the host cell. 2. Contains reverse transcriptase enzymes. 3. Example of a retrovirus is HIV. Reproduction of HIV. Can HIV be cured? 1. No. Drugs are available to manage the disease, but HIV stays in the body forever. 2. Problem: RNA viruses mutate at a very high rate. A person with HIV under control can evolve resistance to the drug treatments. 3. Some infected persons have several strains of HIV in their bodies. What does HIV look like? Initial infection: flu-like symptoms a few weeks after infection. Stage 1: H.I.V. Positive with no symptoms can stay at this stage for up to 10 years, but still can pass on the virus. Stage 2: H.I.V. Positive with symptoms, person is said to have AIDS. Symptoms include swollen glands, chronic diarrhea, loss of weight and appetite, fever, fatigue, skin rashes, lesions, night sweats, oral thrush, Life expectancy, 2 to 5 years.